Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Tuesday the 26th of July. We've had some rain over the last few days, which has been great for the garden. Just want to take you and show you how everything's starting to look. The lawn's starting to come back, which is absolutely brilliant. Sonny! There's my little pussycat, Sonny. See him just down there. A tiger. Yeah, so things like the hollyhocks are doing really well. Just come down here. Let's have a look through my little privet hedge. This is a fuchsia. It's not done that well this year because of the drought we're having at the moment. On about a hose pipe ban next month. It carries on being like this. Shut the gate behind me. Yeah, like I've got my geranium down here, which has not fared very well. But my hollyhocks are still keeping and looking great. This one, I love this pink. Absolutely divine. And then we have my beautiful scented lilies here, which are great. And then we come down here, my other lilies, and my white phlox, which is looking good. These are my day lilies. I've still got a few more flowers to come out of these, which would be brilliant. Sun just coming out, beautiful. A nice white hollyhock. The scent in this garden at the moment is absolutely divine. These beautiful golden lilies here. And you just look at the size of those next to my Crocosmia. Here's some smaller lilies here. All looking really, really nice. And then we have here, these are my beautiful white carnations. The smell of these is divine. Next to that we have here, this is a foxglove. Just want to show you the seeds off here. Just there. That's how many seeds you get just out of one. And each one of those is capable of producing a full-grown foxglove plant. Digitalis purpurea, I think it's called, the Latin. So yeah, that's producing seeds, which I must get some, save some of those. Then we have my lupins here. These have all cracked open and dropped the seeds. So hopefully we'll get some self-seeding ones down there. Next to that we have a poppy pod here. Just want to show you, if I just break this off here, you just see the seeds coming out. They're all ready. Yeah, these are all ready. All I'll do with these, just chuck them over the garden like that. They're all self-seed, which is great. Just get them off my hand. So yeah, that's some poppy seeds. Come down here, we've got these Japanese anemones here, which are looking great. And we come down here, some more hollyhocks. These are my hostas. Weed there, just get that up. Look at this, no wonder it's getting mullered. Look, see these? Absolutely massive slugs and snails on those hostas. I might dig those up this year. But this has really suffered badly with the lack of rain. Even though we've had some rain over the last few days, this phlox has plumped back up a little bit. Then we come down here. These are my perennial sweet peas, which come back year after year. They're not scented, but the flowers on them are absolutely divine. And then down here we have some more beautiful pink some pink hollyhocks. I always forget the names of stuff. Dyslexia drives me absolutely bonkers. At the back there we have some poppies, some opium poppies. Some more poppy seeds here. Just hear that. This is my peony. It's gone over now, but that'll produce flowers next year. Down here, I always forget the name of this. Bought it a couple of years ago when it produces the most divine, beautiful, tiny purple flowers. Next to that we have, this is my delphinium. That's actually set seed now. Just get some seeds out of there, if I can. Yeah, just there. They're little delphinium seeds. Next, some white phlox. Like I said, it's really suffered badly, this part of the garden, with the lack of rain. Some more hollyhocks. Come down here. This is cloth of gold, Achillea. Look at that one there. Really nice, beautiful flower. Next microcosmia, which just about finished flowering. And we get down to here. This is my pots at the front of the house. This is my trailing begonias, as you can see here. Absolutely, look at that, just dripping with water. That shows you the rain we've had today. Coming off there. And look at the different colours here. Down here we have serpentstemon. It's grown from seed. But this one is just chock-a-block full. This one, absolutely amazing. Look at it now. I am so proud of this. This is Thompson & Morgan plug plants from last year. Just sit down. My little stool. Yeah, these were little plug plants from last year. Planted them up in here, left them, took the pot into the greenhouse over winter, and they've come out like this now. Absolutely amazing. I'm so proud of this. All I let it do over winter, just dry it out, and then halfway through December, just start watering it and start feeding it. And this is what you get, an absolutely stunning show. So yeah, this orange is absolutely amazing. I just love the fiery colours of that. As you come down here, this is the first flower after 3 years of my Agatanthus, which looks absolutely stunning. Taking photographs of that. And then as you come up here, we have my 2 hanging baskets. This one has just got petunias in, but after the drought, I let it dry out, but I've got on top of it. I'm keeping it watered, keeping it well fed, and this should bounce back. But this one, looking absolutely amazing. Lovely begonias all the way around. The bottom petunias. Then in the middle at the top, some pelargoniums. So all those are looking really well. We come down here. This is looking amazing. This is the gladioli that were left in from last year. But I don't know if you can see how good the colour is on that. I'm absolutely stunning, that is. Like it's on fire. And then down here, some more Agatanthus. Lovely pink carnation down there. Begonias. Come down here, I have my dahlias. This is my Cafe Ole, but I'm going to cut, just going to leave that one branch there. I'm going to cut the branches to the left and right, and then stick some canes in to support that. This is Agatanthus Queen Mum from the Harrogate Flower Show a couple of years ago. And then my vertical planter here, tipsy-topsy planter, whatever you want to call it, but full of petunias. Absolutely stunning all the way down. But not actually, yeah, that's fine. Making sure it doesn't need a water. And then here we have my marigolds, petunias, gladioli, sweet peas in here. And then we come across here, we have, climbing up here, my beautiful clematis, which is absolutely amazing. This is my jasmine. It's called clotted cream, but as you can see, it needs cutting back because it's getting out of hand now. Once you get past that, here we have my sweet pea vertical planter. This is some poppy seeds here. Just want to show you. Just tip them upside down like that, and normally they just come out. More poppy seeds. This has got gladioli in it. It's got petunias in it, sweet peas, and poppies. Next to that we have some Agatanthus. These come back every year. These have not been grown from seed. These were rhizomes, plants. Then we have one here, which I'm hoping is going to be quite unusual. We're looking forward to that flowering. Then if I just have a sit down on my little bench here, just like sitting here, cup of tea in the morning or a cup of coffee, watching the birds and the bees. Absolutely stunning, just sat here. Agatanthus is nearly at the same height as I am. Down here, my petunias. These gladioli will be flowering in the next week or so. I need to just thin these sweet peas out. As you can see with the drought, look at that. I need to take it out of there, cut it back to a new green shoot and get rid of the dead on that. But yeah, if you've got any questions about anything growing my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. I do appreciate all your support. It really means a lot to me. Leave any comments, any suggestions, I'll get back to you. Thank you very much for watching, everybody, and as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, please keep safe. Thank you, bye.